Hey guys, we're doing the Tortkins case break for random teams, 12, 19 and 23 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Alright, 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That. Get rid of that one. Teams now. Dice roll. Itchy. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Play that one. Teams are Van Houten, Pacers, Quartermain, Heat, Matthew, Bull, Wolves, Hurley, Warriors, Tahi, Knicks, Later, Jazz, Coulson, Hornets, Michael Paul, Cavs, Hurley, Blazers, Hurley, Pelicans, Broadbent, Sixers and Spurs, Van Houten, Celtics, Cannon, Pistons, Broomhead, Rockets, Dean Millos, Hawks, Kiwi, Wizards, Lee, Mavericks, Paul Johnson, Bulls, Tahi, Buffs, Broomhead, Magic, Paul Johnson, Nuggets, Danny Dunn, Lakers, Hurley, Suns, Bull, Nets, Van Houten, Thunder, Cannon, Clippers, Glenbow, Raptors, Joseph, White, Grizz, and Matty with the Kings. So that's it.